and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I kept my promise because in my last video I said you people that hope to see you soon, and yes, I am here. Maybe because I was very eager to do this makeup, and so I did this. Like, this makeup made me do this video so fast and so quick, so I am here. So in today's video, what I am going to do is I am going to trying out another makeup of James Charles. James Charles being my most favorite makeup artist, and his each and every makeup attracts me. Not only me, whom does it not attract? So yes, today I'm back with another trying out James Charles makeup, and I was very interested and I was very eager to do this makeup since long, because this is one of his very old makeups and I am going to try out that. So just bear with me and see me see me trying out his makeup look, though I don't know how it will come out, how will be the outcome. Still I'm doing it. So just let not waste much time and get into the video.
First, applying the primer. Then comes foundation. Shaping my eyebrows. Concealing my face and contouring it. Putting loose powders. Then comes blusher. Now starting with the main part with the eyeshadow palette. Here I will be using 3 to 4 shades of blue and also a silver glitter. Now starting with the drawing part for the lightning effect. I'm done with that, and now I will be putting the eyelashes and mascara on. Last but not the least, applying the lipstick of a very nude and subtle color, and on top of it a lip gloss.
This was all about this look and the video, and I'm kind of very much satisfied with this, what I have tried out. Though this look is not created by me but by James Charles, but I am really happy and satisfied and contented to try out this makeup, and I think yes, this look has come up. It is very similar to what he did, like it is that makeup only, and if I would have to give it a score out of 100, then I would have given it 95, because I think this is really good and I am also satisfied. So whatever it may be, next we are having the pictures that I will be showing you guys. But before that, if you really love this makeup look that is already had been created by James Charles, if you loved my effort doing this look, and if you really think that I did it good and I did it better, so please do like this video and also comment down below. Also share this video as much as possible so that someday James Charles sees it, and also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, because I'm soon to hit 500, and also press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post a new video. You can also follow me, I will suggest you to follow me on my Instagram handle, and also you can connect me in my Facebook. And if you will connect me in my Instagram handle, then you can see few of my makeup reels and makeup looks, because I am very active there and I keep on posting stuff there. So have a good day, bye bye, and now pictures.